Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use a Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is what allows you to actually record on your screen using probably a stylus, and then you can take those notes and export them as a PDF for your students to view at home. So just open up OneNote. So just click on the Start button and type 1, and you'll probably see OneNote. And depending on which operating system you have, some of the newer ones come with OneNote, all very similar. So I'm going to open up OneNote 2013. And so here's my OneNote, and so you can see how I've organized it by units. And then for each unit, I have along here the different pages that I've done. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing we want to do is we want to set up a new notebook for our course that we're teaching. So I'm going to go New, and where do you want to save it? So I'm just going to save it onto my computer. My computer. And I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to call this Math 8. So I'm going to create notebook. So now you can see it says Math 8. So if I'm going to go back to my A&W 10 class, I can click here, and there's my A&W 10 all there. So I'm basically going to have one notebook for each class. So I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to call this one Math 11. So let's say for this semester I'm teaching Math 8, Math 11, and A&W 10. So let's say those are my three classes that I'm teaching this semester. So then I can go back and forth. So let's say I'm working in Math 11. Well, this section here, now it says New Section. So I can rename that. So I'm going to right click on it, rename, and I'm going to put Chapter 1. And so whenever I am working on stuff in Chapter 1, I'll put it all there. And so here is my page within Chapter 1. And so if I take my stylus and I write on here, let's go here. It will then take my text, and you can see that it's converted it over here into proper text. And so then I can write down here anything that I want to actually write. And so then I can do my lesson. And so then when I want to, the next day I want to do my second lesson for Chapter 1, I would add a page. And then I would make this say lesson 2. And then when I'll make a third one, and then this would become lesson 3. And why didn't my 2 show up? Oh well, you get the idea. And so then when I'm finished that, then I want to do Chapter 2. I'll just click a new tab here. And I'll call this one Chapter, well, let's say we're skipping to Chapter 5. And then same thing. Let's say for here I'm doing polynomials. And so then I can do my so then if I want to add a new page here, there we go. And same thing, Math 8, I can make a new section here. Okay, rename this to ratios. Make a new section and call this fractions. The great thing about OneNote is that you can do something in Microsoft Word and then put it right into here. So if I go to my A&W 10 class, you'll see here, for example, that I've got some different things. So this page right here, I created that in Microsoft Word. And so when I'm in Microsoft Word, such as this, so if I what I can do is I'll go File, Print, and you should have a printer that says Send to OneNote right there. So I'll click Print. So then I should be asked, okay, where do I want it to go? So I would like it to go to my Math 11, my Chapter 5, onto my Untitled page. And so there it is. And so now I'm back into OneNote, and you can see that what I typed in Word shows up. And then I can continue writing on top of that. And we're all set to go. And then once I'm done my notes, so let's say I go here, and I want to save this as a PDF for my students. I will go File, Share, Export, Page, and I want to save it as a PDF, Export. So then I can save that as an export to, say, my desktop. And then that will create a PDF that I can then upload to my website for my students to access from home. I'll see if I can find it for you. Sorry, I got lots open. There it is. And there it is up. So that would be then go up on the website for my students to access. If I wanted to, say, combine everything, so I wanted to take all the pages, let's say, for example, my term review, and I want to put that all together in one big package. So I would go File, Export, Section, and then PDF. And so what that will do is take this whole tab, take this whole tab on all these pages, combine that into one big long PDF for the kids. All right, hope this helps you with OneNote a little bit. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks, guys.